You're never gonna get a pan fully clean like this. Oh, my ears! Ah! Holy shit!
This lift is scary, so don't say anything weird, please.
I did, I'm sorry.
Bastard.
Oh!
Key candle. Hot tamale, that's what they are. They're kind of like Mike and Ike's, but... Hot tamale. They're actually not bad.
Factory.
No!
Sargento needs to get some research.
Where did that guy go?
Ah!
Okay, guys, look at me. Look at me.
Sounds like something's at the end of this hall. Perfect!
No, no, no!
Oh!
What was why put it in your fucking mouth for? Ah!
I would be like, wouldn't I? That's gonna be the end of me. It's gonna be the problem. There's a little one hanging out somewhere. That's the fucking worst thing that's ever happened to me in a game. This thing sucks. I know, like, this thing's so weak. This game's fucking easy. You were saying?
Trying to, hold on. Nintendo Wii.
Do I drive the car over this way? Did I make it?
Kill that person! Help me!
I was just standing in it. The things that, yeah. Oh, you're killing me. Yep. Oh, I have to listen to it now. Then it goes like. Oh, I have to hear it right now. Let's go. Mario, please. No! No!